the many things I love about country music is that we get to sing a wide variety of songs. Sometimes we get to sing songs that are happy or love songs or sweet, about life, about family. But sometimes we get to get into character just a little bit and sing songs that are a little bit darker, just a little more dramatic, a little more cinematic. That song right there, of course, was one of the latter types of songs. And we're gonna do a couple more in that family because I like to get a little dramatic sometimes. It's fun. This song's about a girl named Jenny that done had enough. Jenny grew up wild like a Blackfoot daisy, out in the shack with the blue tick hound. Broke as hell, but blessed with beauty, the kind that a rich man can't